And now your local Weather Authority forecast.
Temperatures are dropping and they're dropping fast. A strong cold front is coming through, bringing in gusty winds at times. A live look at the tall city. Partly to mostly cloudy skies right now. Last hour, temperatures were in the low to mid 60s. Now they're in the mid to upper 50s, and they're going to continue to drop, with the potential for storms today, blowing dust, even damaging winds. And despite the below normal temperatures later today, above normal temperatures return by tomorrow. Now take a look at the bigger picture. We see that cold front now sagging south. This yellow line is the dry line. Anywhere east of this dry line, we're seeing higher humidity values and the potential for storms. But that storm system is going to be moving off into the east, and with that, the threat of storms will be moving off into the east compared to what we saw yesterday. Relative humidity has also dropped just a bit over the last hour, 53% relative humidity in the tall city, but those greens indicate more moisture and higher chances of rain where those greens will be, as we're going to be seeing the potential for strong to severe storms. We are your local weather authority. We will let you know if any storms do become severe. And speaking of, we had a severe thunderstorm near Ira Ann yesterday, and even a strong thunderstorm popping up in the Midland and Odessa area yesterday. We need that rainfall, and we really need it bad, and I do think there is the potential for at least some light rain today in the Midland and Odessa area. Despite it starting off pretty mild, temperatures are dropping. 54 degrees low temperature this morning, reaching 70 degrees, so going from above normal temperatures this morning to below that average high of 78 degrees in the tall city. So yeah, much cooler weather is on its way, but a brief shot of cooler air for today. Again, widespread 50s this morning, warming up in the 60s and 70s for many, but we do notice that we have warmer air in the southern basin, 70s and 80s, but these greens and yellows indicate much cooler air, which will eventually spill its way in as we head into the overnight hours. Low temperatures tonight dipping into the 40s with drier conditions after the potential for some storms this afternoon. We do see some green specks early this afternoon in the far northern and eastern part of our viewing area. Again, strong to severe storms. I think we'll be moving off into the east in the Abilene direction, so not affecting us for the most part. But again, we are your local weather authority. We will let you know if any of those storms do pop up in the eastern part of our viewing area for today. Clear skies tonight, low temperatures dropping again in the 40s. Those winds switching direction from the south-southwest. So despite it cooling off tonight, above normal temperatures return tomorrow with stronger winds, and combined with the dry conditions, a fire weather watch is in effect till 9 p.m. local time for extreme to critical fire weather conditions. Temperatures soaring tomorrow in the 80s and 90s, despite patchy morning fog tonight and early tomorrow morning. Dusty and gusty conditions later tomorrow afternoon as temperatures will soar way above normal, again in the 80s and 90s for many, before another cold front, a much stronger and long-lasting cold front, comes in through later this week. So below normal temperatures today, above normal temperatures tomorrow, back below normal later this week before warming back up by the weekend.